Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your assessment results on Indeed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in indeed.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Indeed website, from which, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner to log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which you can once again click on the account icon and then click on Profile in order to view your resume results. Now, if you have already provided your resume for a verification or assessment, then you will find your results right underneath your resume section. Otherwise, you will need to proceed with the assessment process. Click on your resume and then click on the three dots at the top right corner. You will then find a Get an Instant Resume Report option. You can click on this to proceed forward with your resume report. From the Resume Instant Review page, you can instantly get your resume reviewed and assessed. So after your information is collected from your resume, you will get your assessment results within your profile homepage. And there you have it. That is how you can view your assessment results or assess your resume on the Indeed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.